So when you open up GeoWizard, the first page you come to is this Query Datasets page, and you can navigate through all of the functionality within the tool as you like to the sidebar, and collapse the sidebar if you'd like to create some more space to work. Now, the first thing you have to do is try to find some geo studies that you want to analyze that may be of interest. So there are many ways to create a query on the geo database. You can either search the GSE number if you have it. Um, I have some molecule libraries, just if you'd like a quick test input. You can give a comma-separated text input. This can be anything from disease names like rheumatoid arthritis, molecules. I don't know if you're interested in some certain mutation, you can put that in as well. So it's just a flexible text search. And there's also the FDA-approved drugs. So this is just the active compounds in all the FDA-approved molecule as of 2017. Just as a quick shorthand, if there's something specific you might be looking for but can't remember actually what. So I'm going to click this test molecules query type and add, I don't know, tofacitinib and what is this, mycophenolate. And let's search the geo database for these selected molecules. And it'll just take a second to run the search. And so what we have here, once this search results table has been populated, you can filter the results depending on the sample size, the type of study it is, so whether there's a molecule, there's some antibody, or there's some sort of CRISPR-Cas or knockout or genetic perturbations within the study. So you can sort of filter out. Maybe you're simply not interested in, I don't know, knockout studies, so you can just filter those out. You can also filter out, specify certain species that you're interested in. Um, and then you can also look at the full and truncated summaries of the studies in order to get a better idea of what you'd like to, you know, go into more detail and actually perform the differential expression analysis with. So I will just pick a few of these studies. With this table, you can use all the normal selector keys. So if you hold down Shift, you can select many studies. With Control and Shift, you can select different blocks. So it has all the functionality that you're used to. And then once you're done with that, you can also go over here to see the types of experiments that are encapsulated within this query. It seems that they all just seem to be expression profiling by array. And then you click this Analyze Select Datasets button to move on to the next page.